Ever wondered how the stock market works or why it crashes? Do you want to learn how to navigate the ups and downs without losing your hard-earned money? Well, in this crash course, I'll show you exactly how to understand the share market, even if you've never invested before. Stick around, you're about to become a smarter investor. Hey everyone, welcome to the share market crash course for beginners. Whether you're completely new to the world of investing or just looking to improve your knowledge, this video is the perfect starting point. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what the stock market is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can make smart decisions when it comes to investing. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. What is the stock market? Think of it like a big online marketplace. But instead of shopping for clothes or gadgets, you're buying shares, which are tiny pieces of ownership in companies. When you buy a share, you're buying a small part of that company. And just like any marketplace, the price of these shares goes up and down, based on how well that company is doing and how investors feel about its future. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds risky. And you're right, the stock market does carry risk. But here's the thing, it's not just about buying and selling randomly. The key is to understand the market trends and make informed decisions. There will always be ups and downs, but successful investors know how to ride the waves instead of panicking. The trick is to do your homework, have a plan, and stay patient. Okay, now let's talk about some terms you'll hear often in the stock market. First, we have bull markets. A bull market happens when prices are rising and everything seems like it's going great. Investors are buying, companies are growing, and the economy is doing well. On the other hand, a bear market happens when prices are falling and investors are worried about the economy. Both of these markets are normal. You don't want to panic during a bear market, but you also don't want to get too greedy during a bull market. It's all about balance. Let's talk about risk and reward. Every investment involves some level of risk, but the reward can be worth it if you play it smart. Generally, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. But the best part is that you control the risk. The more educated you are, the smarter your decisions will be. So take the time to learn, research, and don't rush into things. This way, your reward will be worth it. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Today, there are so many apps that make it easy for beginners to get started. You can start small, invest in companies you believe in, and watch your portfolio grow over time. Some apps even let you invest with just $1. So there's no need to wait until you have a lot of money to start investing. Want to build wealth but don't have a dime to start with? What if I told you that you can start from $0 and build a solid foundation for your financial future? No special skills, no big investments, just simple strategies anyone can follow. Stick around to learn how you can make your money work for you, even if you're starting with nothing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to uncover how you can start building wealth from absolute zero. Yep, you heard that right. No need for a huge paycheck, no need for fancy investments, just smart, simple steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're broke or just starting out, I've got you covered. 1. Develop a wealth mindset. It's the most important part of wealth building, a mindset. You have to believe that it's possible to build wealth from zero. Don't let your current situation define your future. Rich people aren't lucky, they think differently. It's about taking control, being patient, and believing that growth is possible. So, step 1, start by changing your mindset. Believe that it's achievable and that you deserve to have financial freedom. 2, learn and acquire skills now. Let's talk about skill acquisition. One of the best ways to build wealth with no money is by learning new skills. You don't need to go to college to get started. There are tons of free resources available, YouTube, Udemy, even free online courses that can help you learn things like digital marketing, coding, design, or business management. Learning these skills can open doors to jobs or side gigs that can help you start earning money. And trust me, once you start, you'll never stop learning. 3. Start a side hustle. Alright, Now let's talk about the hustle. Side hustles are your best friend when you're starting from nothing. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering services like babysitting, pet walking, or tutoring, there's an endless list of opportunities. The best part, most of these require little to no upfront investment. If you put in the work and hustle, you can start earning money fast. And this extra income can be used to fuel your savings and investment goals. For save and invest smartly. Once you start earning, it's time to focus on saving and investing. This is where you can grow your wealth. But here's the thing, it's not about how much you save. It's about what you do with your savings. The earlier you start investing, even with small amounts, the more your money will compound over time. Look into low-cost index funds, stocks, or even real estate if you can. Remember, investing doesn't mean throwing money at random stuff. It means making your money work for you. 5. Build multiple streams of income key to wealth building. Diversifying your sources of income protects you from job loss or unexpected financial setbacks. So think about starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel, or maybe creating digital products. Even if these things take time to grow, they'll eventually pay off. And remember, the more income streams you have, the quicker you'll hit your wealth goals. 6. Network and surround yourself with the right people. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's also about the people you know. Surround yourself with people who have the same financial goals and ambitions. Networking opens doors for opportunities you might not even know exist. Find mentors, join online communities, attend seminars, or simply connect with like-minded individuals who can inspire, educate, and guide you along your journey. To sum up, building wealth from zero is not about having a ton of money upfront. It's about having the right mindset, learning valuable skills, hustling on the side, investing smartly, and building income streams. You start small, but with consistency, you grow. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. You've got this. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're ready to start building your wealth today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more money tips and share this video with someone who could use some financial inspiration. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and keep growing your wealth.